These neighbours aren't exactly seeing eye to eye at the moment. The issue is Shiv's renovations. Pete and Gloria next door say it's all way too big and they're worried about their privacy. So how did it get approved in the first place?
You're building right to the entire size of your yard.
No, is this entire yard? This is entire yard? This much?
Yeah, you're very strange. It's not approved by council. It's approved by private CDC.
Ding, ding, ding. I think we should all go back to our corners now. It's not quite rumble in the jungle.
This is my lawn and this is his lawn.
Although there are some vines out back.
And what right have you got to criticise my lawn?
A cul-de-sac of commotion is kicking off in Cherrybrook in Sydney's northwest.
You don't even respect the law here.
You want to make it a little bit spicy? But
This is Shiv.
This is the root of the flower plant which I put in the middle. Sir,
I'm not here about the garden, I'm here about the root of the problem, which is the extension out the back.
Yeah.
Shiv's building a huge extension at the rear of his townhouse. Look at the size of this,
Yeah.
Shiv. So
This is 10 meters, which is allowed.
That's Shiv's next-door neighbours, Gloria and Pete. They're blowing up over Shiv's sizable reno.
No, but the point is that you're building a 2-story, 4-bedroom house here, Shiv. Okay? It's 141 square meters. A granny flat maximum is only 60 square meters.
Shiv, is there any chance that you could make the extension smaller?
Yeah, it's already smaller.
Shiv's townhouse sits on a 650 square metre lot. He wants to almost double the size of his existing home by adding a lounge, study and another 2 bedrooms upstairs.
The neighbour came up with, some emotional sob story about the father coming over. He said it was only 1 room for his in-laws. Not the case, as we found out.
I also want to live a good life.
Pete, we're just having a chat. Pete, I'll come and see you after. Yeah, thank you. But Pete and Gloria fear Shiv's family will be peering into their home from their lofty digs.
I am paying extra 30,000 for the privacy screens between his house and my house.
A privacy screen's going to cut it, guys?
No, what is privacy screen? Privacy, hang on.
She doesn't know how to
Excuse me,
and she argues me for everything.
The sad thing is, they used to get on like a house on fire.
He's like my father. I can cry in front of you.
Shiv even mowed the couple's lawn.
I never asked you to mow my lawn. In fact, Peter was embarrassed. Peter said we should not let him mow the lawn. But you said, oh, that's all right. It's part of my exercise. I'll do it.
Now there's a chill in the neighbourly air. So, how did it all come to this?
Okay, don't put words in my mouth. No. I never approved it.
Shiv doesn't need a council DA to carry out his reno. His plans have been signed off by a private certifier under a CDC complying development certificate.
First CDC certifier rejected it. And then you went shopping around for a second one to get it approved.
Gloria and Pete just wish Shiv had been more neighbourly and ran his plans past them first.
The point is that it's your building, your application, the way you've done it, okay, the way you got it approved, and the way you started work without even notifying us. That's the issue.
Early one morning, the Bobcat was brought in through the rear of Shiv's property, which backs onto a busy road. Wearing little safety gear, trees were felled, narrowly missing drivers during peak hour. Tradies marched in the front, crossing the boundary line.
I told him all the people are coming from the back, but tradies are tradies,
A council community mediation session was even called.
I told them I had concern. That's why they communicated with you to ask you to come for mediation, which you totally ignored twice.
I said I don't want because I can talk to my neighbors. Why I need a lawyer or legal person in the middle?
But you never said that to them. You never said that to them.
Because I don't need it.
Time for some property peace talks. Guys, look,
I know.
You guys have to live together. Your neighbours, you've got to live together. What sort of compromise can we work out here? In a breakthrough, Shiv agrees to suspend his build. Do we head to a truce here in terms of, can we come to an agreement in terms of, is work going to stop for the meter?
Yeah, I'll get the council approval and then I'll start the work.
What assurance have I got is going to stop? You can say now, and tomorrow the work starts again. Day after tomorrow it starts.
Okay. I'm saying in front of camera.
Yeah. Shiv not only says it, he prays it.
Camera, I will do the work after DA approval, Hornsby Council approval by the Lord of God. Thank you. Enjoy.
But just as a deal's done, Shiv sparks a final flurry of blows.
Yeah, now go if you want to check their lawn. See the lawn.
Chief, I don't think you've got the right to criticize how we live. I do not criticize how you live. It's not about the lawn. My lawn can be a bloody mess, okay? Because we've got reasons for that.
Okay, we've got into a bit of overtime here.
Yeah.
Any more talk from now will just escalate, so let's
So
relax.
It's just a question.
Yes.
So what happens if work continues even though he's saying that it will stop?
Oh, we'll come back and do it all again. It took 12 rounds, but finally the bout is settled.
So work stops tomorrow.
Yeah.
So we do not expect to see any more work continuing.
Okay.
No, it's just a landscaping work. Yeah, that's it.
What do you mean landscaping work?
What do you
No,
mean
leave
landscape?
It's part of work. It's part of the work.
I got it. I got it.
You slipped up there.
I still got a point. Okay.
We don't want to see the bobcat.
If I don't get approvals, my work will stop.
Okay. All right, happy?
Yep.
Is everyone happy?
Yep.
Okay. All right, back to our corners.
Wow, I don't know if they are happy, but the reno is still paused at Shiv's place, so he's stuck to his word for now.